Show Yaya what you got.
You got the kitty?
Aww.
You trying to feed her too? He's gonna eat all this burrito.
I mean, I went to pull away from the first time, and he had his claws in me, and all of a sudden you went to pull him away, and I'm like, oh my god! He's inhaling this son of a bitch.
Getting good shots of Jameson with his blue hair too.
Be careful.
Kitty up easily.
Careful with the baby. Careful with the baby. He attacked. It was so
He's
funny.
I mean, he got my hand. I mean, he had his claws
Sorry.
dug in my damn hand.
Look! Is it good? You are such a cute baby.
Oh, she's going to get some.
Hey, little princess. Hey, little princess. Hey, little baby. Oh. Oh, yep. Oh, maybe not. Oh, yep. This is good. This is good stuff.
Maybe they use cat food.
Burrito cat food. I mean, he is literally hunkering down on it.
Did you get enough already, you little delicate
She's
thing?
only, yeah, I was about to say, she's only